Hello, my friends. Welcome to Yoga After 40. My name is Paola. And if you're a man or a woman over 40 looking to get stronger, more flexible, relieve back pain, and ease tight hips, you are in the right place. Today's class is about 10 to 15 minutes. It's a gentle full body yoga flow, perfect for a busy schedule and easy to do at home. So if you enjoy yoga for flexibility, yoga for strength, yoga for balance over 40, hit the like, subscribe, and share with somebody else so we can help this community grow. And let's get started. So we're gonna start in the middle of the mat, coming into Sukhasana, easy pose, crisscross applesauce. And here we're just gonna take the left hand about the same height as your hips, so keeping the left hand and the hip in one straight line. And now start reaching the left arm a little bit further away, taking the right arm all the way up to the sky. So we open the right side of the body. And now start folding towards the left side. Maybe you come down to your forearm. Make sure that you keep your right hip. Look under the right shoulder. Take one more breath in here. And now press yourself all the way up. Left arm reaches to the sky. And now we're going to take the right hand about the same height as the right hip. So right hand and hip are on one straight line. Maybe you reach the right amount. And maybe you come down to the forearm. And now start reaching towards the right side. Looking under the left shoulder. Make sure if you keep reaching towards the right side that your left hip remains flat on the mat. Now press yourself all the way up. Right arm reaches to the sky. And now from here, we're going to take the hands to the mat and we're going to come into our tabletop. So our shoulders are over the wrist and the hips are over the knees. From here, we're going to take some cat-cows. So we're going to make sure that we spread all 10 fingers. We're going to look up, pressing the mat away, dropping the belly, shoulders away from the ears. Slightly look up. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, round the spine, press the mat away. Take the chin to the chest, navel in. Rounding the spine like an angry cat. So inhale, come up. Drop the belly, shoulders away from the ears. Inhale. Exhale, round the spine for your Halloween cat. Rounding the spine, pressing the mat away, taking the chin to chest. We're gonna do this 2 more times, so do it at your own pace. Inhale for your cow. Exhale for your cat. Take one more. Now come back to center. And in here, we're going to take the left hand. We're going to walk a few inches to the right. And we're going to take the right arm all the way up to the sky. Looking at the right fingertips. Rolling the right shoulder back a little bit more. And now we're going to thread the needle, taking the right arm under the left arm. Resting the head on the mat. Keeping the left arm to find our balance, maybe reaching the left arm towards the front of the mat, coming high on the fingertips. If you want to open and stretch the left shoulder. Enjoying this twist. Now, if you want to press yourself up, take the left hand to the mat. Push yourself up. Right arm reaches to the sky. Inhale. And on the exhale, bring it down. Now we're going to do the other side. We're going to take the left arm all the way up to the sky, looking at the left fingertips. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, thread the needle, left arm under the right arm. Either the right hand stays on the mat, right arm reaches forward, maybe coming high into the fingertips to stretch the right shoulder. Take one more breath in here. Press yourself up. Left arm reaches to the sky. Inhale. And on the exhale, bring it down. Now from here, we're going to tap our feet to tap, 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 tap. Bring the knees a little closer together and take your right leg all the way up. Either point or flex your toes. Make sure that you're pressing the mat away. You're keeping it straight back, engaging the core, the glutes, the inner thighs. Now take your right knee to nose, round the spine, press the mat away. So you want to create enough space to bring the right leg through. And now step it in between your hands and come up. Taking the hands on top of the right knee, sending your hips forward and up so you're stretching your psoas right here. Keep lengthening the spine, so imagine somebody's pulling you from the crown of the head. You don't want to be putting pressure into your lower back. And now we're going to take the hands to the mat. Maybe if you have yoga blocks, you can use your yoga blocks. If you don't have yoga blocks, you can always stack books on top of each other. So just use whatever you have. Flex your right foot. That way you're stretching your right hamstring. Inhale. And then slowly on your exhale, start taking the chest towards the right knee. Keeping it straight back. And now slowly come all the way up. Take your right leg back. And from here, we're going to do the same thing that we did on the other side. So we're going to take the left leg all the way up, pointing or flexing the toes, engaging the glutes, the core, the inner thighs, keeping it straight back. Now take the left knee to nose, press the mat away. Keep that core engaged. Step your left leg in between your hands. Come all the way up, hands to the left knee. Sending the hips forward and up so you don't put pressure onto your lower back. Rolling the shoulders back. Breathing in here. Now we take the hands to the mat. We start straightening in the left leg. Flex the foot. That way you're stretching the left hamstring. Remember, the right hip is over the right knee. Inhale, lengthen, look up halfway. Exhale, start folding over the left leg. And if you guys haven't checked out my new app, Vibrant Age Yoga is an amazing app. You get to practice with me, which I love for you to do. And then you have the option to upload a video or a picture of the pose And the way you know if you're doing it right, because AI will give you an instant real-time feedback on your practice. So you don't have to second guess if you're doing the pose correctly. That way you don't get hurt, and that way you also maximize the benefits of your practice. It's the only app with AI. Well, with me, but then you get AI to give you feedback since I'm not there with you. So now we're gonna come back into all fours, tabletop. And from here, we're gonna lay flat on the mat. Now bringing the knees to the chest, giving yourself a hug, rocking side to side. So we're coming into a reclined pigeon, taking the right foot to the left knee. You can take your right hand to the right knee. Just gently press on it so you feel the hip opening a little bit more. Now thread the needle, taking the right hand under the right leg and taking the right hand to the left knee and left hand to the left knee. So we interlace the hands together, flexing the right foot. Keeping the sit bones on the mat, relaxing the shoulders, the neck, the face. Maybe start bringing the knee a little closer to the chest. Release the left leg and sweep your left leg up. And now start walking your hands as far up as you can. Maybe you grab the big toe, you grab the heel. Maybe you use a strap or a towel or a belt. And keeping that left leg straight. You can micro-bend it if that feels more comfortable, but just try to keep the leg as straight as possible. See if you can start bringing the whole leg towards the chest. Now we're opening the right hip. So stretching the left hamstring. There's a lot going on in here. It can be really intense, but just make sure that you stay breathing, some mindful breathing. Don't hold your breath. And now slowly we let it go. We take both legs to the sky and we start making circles with the feet for legs up the wall, taking the arms all the way up, making circles with the wrist, going around the other way. Now bend the right knee, take the left foot on top of the right knee. Now left hand goes to the left knee and we gently press and push the left knee out. The left hand goes under the left leg, the right hand goes to the side. We interlace the hands together. We breathe in. And on the exhale, we start taking the right leg towards the chest, flexing the left foot. Upper body remains flat on the mat. Mindful breathing in here. This is a gentle hip opener. Can be really intense too, depending on how close you bring the right leg towards the chest. So listen to your body, honor your body. Remember, I'm just here to give you cues. Then slowly we release and we take the right leg all the way up. And we start walking the hands as far up as we can. Inhale. Exhale, bring the right leg towards the chest, trying to keep the straight leg, maybe micro bend the knee. Stretching the right hamstring, opening the left hip. And then slowly we let it go, we release. We take the legs all the way up again. Now we bend the knees. We take the arms to wrap around the legs, rounding the spine, taking the forehead towards the knees, giving ourselves a hug, engage your core. Now bring the legs all the way up. Take your hands behind the neck. And from here, we're going to bring the right leg down. Now right elbow to left knee. Now bring the right leg up. Left elbow to right knee. And now we're going to do this only 10 times. Almost done, guys. One more. Beautiful job. Now bend the knees, take the arms by this side, and slowly release both legs towards the right side, keeping the left shoulder on the mat, looking over the left shoulder for a gentle twist. Bring both knees all the way up to the sky. And now slowly release both knees towards the left side, right shoulder, flat on the mat, looking over the right shoulder. Bring both knees back to center. Bringing the sole of the feet together, dropping the knees to the side, taking the arms by the side, hands facing up, letting the armpits breathe. Relax your face muscles, the shoulders, the back, the belly, the glutes, the legs, the feet. I want to thank you so much for letting me be part of your beautiful journey. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed today's class. This is a really quick full body stretch, full body yoga flow that would allow you to stretch the whole body. At the same time, it's going to help you boost your energy to start your day on the right path. Please let me know in the comment section below where you are watching from. I'd like to hear from you. Let me know if you have any class requests. As always, I'm here for you. Stay here for as long as you need to. And if you need to keep going with your day, I wish you the best day ever. As we're getting closer towards the end of the year, stay committed to yourself. Keep showing up. And that's all I have for you. And I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you.